Alright guys, what took like 3 minutes for you was probably 2 hours worth of work for me. I'm just kidding, it's only like 30 minutes for me. We've got the whole shifting assembly swapped over with the stock clutch removed. So that's good, so now I have somewhere to hook a spring to for my clutch too, that'll be out of the way of the belt. I hope I can use the same length belt, because I don't have the same kind of clutch system. The one that's over there on that frame. But, that back piece right there was all cracked and stuff, because it's real old and been thrown around and dropped and hit. And actually, I remember rear-ending this mower frame. This is my dad's old mud mower. I remember rear-ending this thing while the Murray was still going. My dad was riding with me on this thing. I mowed the grass for, what, like 6 years with this lawnmower? Anyways, that other backing piece is all bent up, and I ran into the problem with these holes on this frame. The back ones that kept coming loose on my dad, and he tightened them, and then stripped out, so. There's a couple of spot welds there, you know, not really spot welds, but burn it in there. Welds and just all four corners, and it's sturdy, it's just the metal bending. So I'm going to try to straighten this out as much as I can on the mower once I go to try to put the body on. You gotta remove this up here. Actually, no, I don't. I'm gonna weld something. Yeah, I'm gonna weld something better for a pulley support on it. Oh, sorry, right there. Because that's just in the way of the body. I don't know what I was thinking whenever I built it, but what else? Those are my really old welds. That's horrible. I believe my body will sit on top of that. I hope it will. If not, we might have to do a little bit of with it. I do not want to cut this off and flip it around, mainly because I don't think it'll work if I do. So, I gotta get, what else? I'm gonna go inside, get me a drink of water, and I'll come out here and I'll do things like, I'll take the transmission brackets off that, bolt them on, well, grind everything down, bolt them on, then weld them on, and then weld on the back of the bolts. Make sure they're not gonna come off, no matter the circumstances. So, that steering's gonna come out. Bolt's gotta go on the front end and the motor plate. And this frame is not that bad. So you see all this rust? It's just surface rust. It's actually not a really bad frame. It's not bad at all. It's only 3 years older than that one. That's a 05 body, and it's a 2002 frame. Not that much older than anything. Also, this back piece right here is going to get welded on because I find myself pulling these bolts out, and I pull things with lawnmower, so I'm going to weld that back piece on. The double pulley clutch, I don't know how it's going to be set up yet. But yeah, I'm going to quit blabbering. I'm going to go inside and get me something to drink, and I'll come back outside and we'll get back at it. Anyways, guys, I don't even know where that left off at. You saw me tear this whole mower down. Well, saw me tear this whole mower down, start working on the other frame and getting it most of the way together. I did a little bit of work off camera because it's just so much. It's just that kind of work that you can't really put the camera close because the tripod's in your way and you kick it and make it fall over and break stuff. And that's a little sneak peek right there. All right, so I'll see you guys next video. See you guys next video. Bye.